How to get a verified badge. Getting verified will get a badge added to your profile, which assures potential insureds of your credibility. The process of getting verified is very simple and can be done with these simple steps. Log in to Agency Height. First, go to insurance.agencyheight.com and click Member Login. Then, fill in your email and password and log in into your profile. After that, you will be able to see your dashboard. Verify your listing. Click on the option that says Verify your listing. This will open up a form. Fill in the necessary details to verify your listing. After filling and submitting the form, you will see a message that says your verification information has been submitted. After your form is submitted for verification, we will have a look at it and get your listing verified. Once your account is verified, you can see the verification icon under your name and your listing. That's it. Now you have added the verified badge to your profile, which will help to showcase your credibility to the visitors.